All right, you're watching this video right now because you're trying to figure out how to create a very beginner song parody. So I'm going to kind of show you how you can do this in a very easy way. So the very first thing is you want to open a Google Doc, and I want you to title your document with what you're doing. So I'm going to be doing this with the song All Star by Smash Mouth. So I'm going to literally title it All Star Parody. Cool? This is what you're going to work on with your group. So the first thing you do is you go and you Google search or Bing search, I don't care what you use, but you go search the lyrics to what you want to do. Then usually it just pops up right there. If not, you're just going to go to the first link and figure that out. But I want you to copy it. Command C, or you can two-finger click and hit copy. But then what you're going to do is you're going to go paste it. You can Command V, Control V, or you can two-finger click and hit paste. Now I want you to leave the name of the author in the actual document because then it's easier to cite later on. And part of using someone else's work means, even though it's for education and it's for a parody, so we can use it, part of doing that means that we are going to need to still cite it because it is somebody else's work and we have to give credit where credit is due. That's part of copyright, as we've talked about in class and we'll continue to talk about in class. So I have my lyrics here. Cool. The next thing that I'm going to do is I am going to look through with my group and I'm going to try to figure out the number of syllables in each song. This is my instructions say, or in each line, because I'm going to try to match those when I rewrite it. Okay, so if I look at this, it's somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So, whoops, well that's going to be stuck there. But what I would type next to it is 12. And I'm going to do that for each of these lines as we go down all the way. Okay? That's just because then I'm going to want to match the number of syllables in what I write. Okay? So once I'm done with that, and you can literally just do parenthesis, here, parenthesis 12. And then down here, I ain't the sharpest tool in the shed. That's 9, so I could do parenthesis 9, and so on and so forth. So that later on again, I'll be able to, what happens?